There are many options for tooth replacement. The best option, non-removable option, would be a single dental implant. Next in line would be doing a bridge. I will use the tooth in front of the missing space and the tooth in back of the missing space. We will shape them for crowns. We will take an impression, and the lab will make me literally a bridge. You have two supports, a support on the front, a support on the back, and the span is actually where the false tooth is. But it is cemented on, it is not something that's taken on and off. Then for some people, fixed options are not an option. We then do have the ability of either full dentures if patient has no teeth, or we can do many different types of partial dentures where we use the existing teeth as supports and we clip dentures to those teeth.